Hello, welcome myself back to my own channel. What I'm doing on this video is decorating the other half of my wall that is empty. So what I'm doing is taking this cardboard and taking this little thing I got from my tree, sorry mother, and I'm gluing that around the edges of the cardboard with this hot glue gun. So I'm going to add the glue, then add the string. Sorry about this terrible video quality. I had my color lights on and I didn't realize they were on. Well, either way it would be terrible, but it just makes it a little bit more terrible than normal. Anyway, I'm continuing gluing and pressing down on the sides of the board, and I'm going to do that all the way around. It should look like this. After I finished gluing on the beads, I took some stems from the leaves and I just glued them on there as well, just because. And now I'm pouring basically a whole bottle of Elmer's glue, or the cheap kind, any kind of glue. I'm pouring the glue bottle on the entire board because I'm extra and I didn't feel like painting it on. So here I am dumping it on and making sure to give it in all the crevices and really just making a mess for no apparent reason. But I'm just going to keep scribbling the screw on here. A little bit, little dab here, little dab there, dab, dab, dab. Dab-a-rab dab, dab-a-rab dab, tap dab. This idea just randomly came into my head and I decided to do it as quickly as possible before I forget everything that I thought about doing. So this video is honestly going to be an entire mess and I'm okay with it. I'm alright with it. If you're alright with it, I'm okay with it. You okay with it? I'm okay with it. So we're just going to keep dumping that glue like we're a crazy person, a child, and then we're just going to smooth it out, you know, get it all smooth. Make sure there's no like bumps, bubbles, no nothing. Just get it all smooth. Smooth it out with your finger. You ever just play with glue? You know how kids do that? Yeah, I'm almost an adult and I decided I want glue all over my fingers so I could reminisce about my child days. Yeah. It was honestly pretty fun. You should probably try it. Yeah. It's really soothing to get all that glue everywhere. Okay, so after smoothing out the entire board and glue with my finger like a little child, I'm going to make sure I've got everything all glued, make sure everything's shiny, make sure I'm not missing any spots. And after that, I'm going to take this giant batch of glitter and just dump it on there, cause why not? Gonna make it sparkly. So here I am, just making sure I cover all that glue with some glitter. Sparkle, fab, glitterlicious. Is that a word? It is now. I don't know. Gonna finish this boy up, get it all spicy. Just, you know, a little dab here, a little dab there, a little dab everywhere. I keep saying dab. Why? I don't know. Does it bother you? It bothers me. I bother me. It's alright. I'm gonna leave this in here. I don't feel like taking it out. So I'm gonna just cover all of the white spots in this glitter. It's supposed to be white, but it's iridescent, so it kind of looks a little pink in this shot. But I'm gonna just cover it up. Isn't that a beauty? She looks beautiful. She looks amazing. Who's she? Maybe it's a he. He looks beautiful. He looks amazing. Yes. Look at that sparkle. Ooh, shiny. Terrible video quality, but that's not the point, is it? It's not. It's really not. We talking about this sparkle. We ain't talking about no video quality. But here we go. Finishing up. Got distracted a little bit. Got distracted by that sparkle. Look at it. Ooh, sparkly. Spicy. Alright, we're gonna get focus. And just continue pouring the entire bottle. Yeah. Dump it out like that. Yeah. Does it matter that I have to do another one? It does. It really does. Because now I don't have any glitter. But we gonna fix that real quick. It's okay. We're out of glitter. Don't matter. Just dump the rest of it. I got you. It's okay. We gonna get this done. Look at that sparkle though. Alright. After we're done pouring all that glitter on, you can see how sparkly it is. Yeah. Super sparkly. But here's one problem. I need the rest of the glitter for another board. But I done dumped it all on this board. What should I do? I'm gonna dump it out. You heard me right. After we're done looking at this sparkly glory godness, I'm gonna dump all this glitter out and savor it just like that. Look at it. Falling. Glitter rain. Somebody call Prince. It's gonna be alright. No more purple rain, only glitter. Looks beautiful. I'm gonna tap the board on its side. Get every piece of glitter that we can off of there for the next board. Make sure you got something laying down on the floor to catch it. Okay, so once you got all the glitter on your paper, you just want to make sure you get it all in one little pile. Yeah, just get it all together, like a family reunion of glitter. And then just like really fold up the sides and hold it together as much as you can. Try not to get it on your carpet like I did. It's okay. It's gonna be alright. It's whatever. Cut out these lions after I edited them the perfect shade of goldness, and I'm just gonna do the back of it and put it on the board and then get to going. Know what I'm saying? So here we are. We're gonna, if I could ever get my candle. Ooh, candle. What, girl? If I could get my camera angle right, dang, like hurry up. That's why shouldn't do last minute things. This is terrible quality. Alright, we're just gonna dump this glue in the back of the lion. Like, if it'll ever come out, bro. What are you doing? Hurry up. Where is it? Is there like, what? Okay, there you go. Just, slab a little glue on there. Do a little womp the bump. Glitter glue. Just glue. No glitter. Don't know why I said glitter, but just get that glue on that lion, spread it out. Even mix me even. Just like that. Just smooth it out with your finger. Once you get it on there, just put it right in the center and glue it down. Okay, and there's the finished product. I made 2 of them, one on each side, and it goes well with the centerpiece that I made in my other video. And we're gonna make another video on these smaller centerpieces and tune back in to see that one. So yeah, that's it. Watch the video on how I made this. I wrote a little song for you. It go like, oh, Ray, me, for so fucking done with you.